Hi planner friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy and you're watching Little Star Plans. Today I want to introduce you my brand new kit design. We're releasing tomorrow, July 1st, and this kit is a full kit for Hobonichi Cousin, and it will also be available in mini kit and also Hobonichi weeks. So feel free to grab some tomorrow when it releases. And this kit I design it in a way where I wanted to focus more on strawberry and cutesy type of kit style. It's called the Strawberry Add Sweetness to Life. It comes with 3 sheets, and this is like plenty of stickers that you can use for the whole entire week. First one, this is the date cover, so we do have some date cover ups right here, and on the star you can write out your day in there, so Monday to Sunday, and they're individually peeled off so you can stick it yourself. Next, it does come with 2 washi tape, and I purposely designed it where one is longer, one is shorter, and I'll explain why. So as you can see, here is the whole spread, and there is a sidebar, and you can tell like if we cover the whole thing, so this side, left side, and also right side is basically the same length. But if I were to cover it entirely on the bottom, then we lose some space on the sidebar, and I didn't want that because spacing or space in the planner spread is like important in case if you want to write more, and then you have space for that. But so that's the reason why I designed it where it's shorter and longer, and so it's not completely like the very thick type of washi tape, but this is like a little skinnier, and so it look like this. So cover up just slightly the bottom. It will look very nicely on the spread. Next, it does come with these boxes, and they're more like a decorative type of box that you can decide on your own and how you like to do it. I kept it some boxes where it has like the white space that you can write in some text or even decorate yourself. That's where it comes with the functional page and has these Mimi stickers, or if you have my other Mimi stickers, you can also use that and place it directly in these boxes and write out some things in there. Lastly, we do have these skinnier sticker, and this is actually a 1 hour. It can fit in the 1 hour slot, so if you're someone that use your planner for timely base, you can actually use this and fit directly in the 1 hour base right here. See, look, it fits nicely 1 hour. With some flags and check marks. The next sheet is the functional page. You briefly saw it, and does come with 2 functional, kind of like a tracker, sort of like a box that you can use. And so the first one, it starts on Monday to Sunday. You can write your meal prep or meal plan or hours or your workout and so on. It's very functional, so you definitely can use that whenever you like or however you like, and this will fit nicely on the sidebar, exactly on the left hand side. Next box, this is optional. I want you to kind of be creative and how you like to use it. I think there is total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 lines that you can write. It could be like daily, one happy word that happened, or you can use one of those headers and you can stack them up above this box in the sidebar. For instance, maybe cleaning, you can write down each day you want to clean specific areas, you can do that too. Does come with these like small circle stickers, and this will be useful to kind of like highlight specific time base again, or checkbox. Weekend banner, some Mimi stickers, and some header divider. And it is smaller in size, but I plan on in future next kit is going to be a little bit longer, so be like fill out the entire width of the box. I have another decorative type box or sticker that you can stick on the corner especially, and it will stand out very nicely. However, like you can flip it around, pick up like that. More boxes here, more like with almost a glitter printed sticker. Lastly, I do have this box, and this is called just the boxes, so very functional again. So this comes with headers. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 to do, 1 important, this week, clean, highlights. So you totally can fit either in one of the days or even on the sidebar. It comes with these functional stickers, so Mimi again, and some header as well. This is going to be fixed. This is just a demo type of stickers I printed out to demonstrate for you guys, but this won't be the finalized version. But again, I'll be fixing that later on, but this is what it looks like. Super cute. So strawberries add sweetness to life. Don't forget, it is releasing tomorrow, Saturday, and feel free to check it out and grab the kits that you like, either in the Hobonichi Cousin, Hobonichi Weeks, or mini kit. And I think that's about it. Let me know if you have any question, and I would love to hear back from you guys. All right, take care. Bye.